Welcome back again, watch addicts. Today my April watch has arrived. Now I did accidentally see somebody posted up on the forums some of the watches that they got, and my god, one of them was, how can I put it, if I got it, if this is it, sorry watch gang, I'll be cancelling my subscription because it's a joke. That watch is an absolute joke. It's like a Bullhorn watch. I wouldn't even give you $50 for it. So I'm hoping that this isn't going to be that watch, because otherwise I'm going to get me a hammer out the drawer and you'll see a watch smashing on the what's his name, on my video. Well, anyway, quick wristwatch check. I know you've not seen this one before. This is my Alpina start timer, one of the watches that I haven't shown. So you can imagine these pushers and the crown up on here. So when you go to push them, oh, you're getting in the way. But it's my Alpina start timer chrono. Beautiful blue, which is actually a different strap. Did come with a metal strap. Put this nice strap on from Watch Parts UK. So anyway, let's get back to this. Let's just hope it's not that watch that I've seen. Oh, thank God for that. It's not that watch. So, members guide, membership perks, nice, and this is my watchgang watch reader. Never heard of them. There's the this off. Right, let's have a look at this. Only cheap packaging. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that out of the way. Don't need the knife now. Put that away. So this is Breeder. What model is it? Oh yeah. 9002D. So let's yeah. You ready? Ooh. That isn't bad. That's not bad at all, that. Like a slate coloured dial. Wow, let's get a bit of a close up on that. That doesn't look too bad, that actually. Right, so what's the bracelet like? Oh, just a press clasp. Nothing fancy. We've got yeah, sort of like solid end links. Oh, it's one of them you screw down backs on it. Need a thingy tool for that. But this doesn't look all that bad. Chronograph. Let's pull a little stopper out. Push in. Oh, so there's your second hand there. Your second hand's this little dial here. let's take this off. Oh no, that looks a lot better now that thing's off. So, chronograph. Oh, chronograph works. See how good this is. Stop. So, there's a way of getting them to. Oh, next click in. Should be. No, hold on. I'll figure it out. I think you just pull out and then it should line up. I will sort it out. Well, anyway, this is the reader 9002D. Oh, I'll just focus that. So that doesn't look too bad. It is only a quartz movement. Just ticking away instead of streaming along. But that's not bad, that actually. Got a bit of a funny crown on it. Never go backwards, especially when you're near the 12 o'clock. I was going to say 3 o'clock then. Bit of a, oh, okay. Now that crown is a weird shape. I thought that was a bit funny in the hand then. Oh, weird looking crown. How's it now? 9:15 in the evening. I am doing this a bit late. I went and stopped off at the parents' house to see them, make sure that they were okay. But that's quite nice, that actually. Do you know, I am so relieved that I didn't get that ISO. Yeah, I just couldn't believe that I did actually send out that watch. But like I said in my previous videos, you know, this cost £120, and I'm going to show you. So it's a chronograph watch, and what I'll do is show you what you can actually get for £120 or less. Now I have got two watches because I wasn't sure what type of watch I was going to get, so I'll just put that there. So this is, let's get in focus, there we go, Casio Edifice. It's like EFE 540 or something like that. But believe it or not, I only paid about £80 for this. I got this off Amazon. £80. Absolute bargain. Yeah. Got a wipe. You know, metal bracelet. Yes, I know I've not taken off the metal bracelet. I think I said in my State of the Collection video, I'm going to leave this one on this bracelet because it does look nice on the bracelet. Even though it's only a cheap press clasp, you know, it's still decent on the bracelet. But what else I did get, because I wasn't quite sure what type of watch I was going to get, was, it's actually only come today as well. So I've got the tags on that on it. But this is the Aviator. It's the Flyboy. And this, believe it or not, only cost me £80. You know, I know it's not a chronograph, but for £80, that's not bad going. You know, it's a case of which one do you like more? You know, which one would you choose? You know, would you go for the Casio Edifice, the Breeder, or the AV8? Probably will put this on a nice, classy leather strap, just like I've got my Oris on. That'll look nice with the leather strap on that. Let me just let's just take this off. Let's have a try of it on. I know it's still got all the stickers and protective stuff on it and what have you. Right, come on. So that's what it looks like on the wrist. Can't bend my wrist any further than that. Got frozen arm just from the accident. Well, that doesn't look that bad actually. That I'm quite happy with that. That's another decent watch into the collection of the watchgang group. Is it worth £120? I think it is. Oh God, I'm so glad I didn't get that eyesore of a watch. Yeah. You know, you got. I know that's way out the price range. That was like I think it was about 650. I think I paid £650 for this one. H. Samuels, give him a little bit of a punt there. Beautiful watches. What I have to let me see if I can find it. Quick look at it. Oh, get it out of the camera quick. Oh God, that's disgusting. But, you know, I'm happy now I've got this. It is a relief. I'm watching I'm going to be getting me money again next month instead of getting a cancellation. But anyway, this is the Breeder Chronograph. So there we go. So if you're ever thinking about joining watchgang, you know, I've showed you what you can actually get for your money. Or less than what you can get for your money. Or, like a few people said, why don't you just save up, get a more expensive watch. You know, I've got the likes of that. What else have we got? Well, you've seen all my watches. I was going to wear my Longines Hydro Conquest today, but I've not wore this for a week or two, so I thought I'll put this one on today. I'll probably show me Longines. I might even do a review on that, and do the Oris at the same time, the Oris Aquis at the same time, maybe the Armand Nicolai. But anyway, that is my April watchgang watch. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more watches. Helps out the channel, and hopefully I'll see you all soon.